So we're going to discuss naman UCS. Okay. So after learning the XREF. So UCS stands for User Coordinate System. So UCS, you can see here on the view. Okay. So we have UCS, ViewCube, and navigation bar. So ito yan. ViewCube and navigation bar. And this is the UCS icon. So ano bang ginagawa ng UCS? So UCS, its main purpose is for the orientation as well as if you for view. Okay? So ginagamit siya for isometrics and 3D. So 2D, usually hindi masyado since naka-flat naman yung drawing natin. So here on the ribbon panel, you can see the viewport configuration. So sa viewport configuration, ito yung pinaka-view mo. If you want to have 2 views, 3 views, 4 views, ito yung i-click mo. So, we have single to vertical, yan naman. So, as you can see here, kung sino yung merong blue na highlight, yun yung active. So, once na-click natin to, ito yung magiging active. So, kapag to horizontal naman, yan. So, ito yung active. And this one is now the active. So, 3 right, itsura, then 3 left, 3 above, 3 below, 3 vertical, 3 horizontal, 4 equal, 4 right, and 4 left. So, ano ba ang ginagawa nito? So, you can set per view kung ano ba yung gusto nyo. For example, on this view, I want it on top. On this view, I want it on southeast. So, ganyan. So, for this view, I want it on the other side. This view, I want it here. Yan. So, ganyan yung ginagawa ni viewport configuration. Okay, so we have a plan here. So, once na ginalaw ko to, as you can see on these 3 other views, nagkaka-highlight siya. Meaning, yun yung ginagalaw ko. Okay, so ito naman yung iba. Ayan. So, kung ano yung mga natatamaan ng aking cursor, you can see on the left side, nag-highlight siya. Okay. So, yan. So, meaning, once na may ginalaw ko dito, gagalaw itong kabila. Okay. So, on the right side of the viewport configuration, you can see here the name. Okay. So, once I click here, may lalabas na window tab, active model configuration. So, ito yung name ng viewport. So, kung gusto mo ng new viewport, you will add a name for that. Okay. So, kung gusto mo ng ganyan, then you can rename it. Okay. So, ito hindi naman masyado nang ginagalaw. Since ang pinaka-concern dito is yung mismong viewport. Okay. So, hindi na rin siya masyadong pinapansin. Okay. So, cancel na natin siya. Next is join. So, join, if you want to join 2 viewports. So, you cannot join this one to this kasi masyado siya malaki. And wala naman siyang capacity to have a viewport na isang malaki tapos isang maliit na nag-join. So, ang ma-join mo lang is itong tatlo. Okay, so for example, I want to join this one. Click ko muna ito and then this one. Yan. So, nag-join siya. Okay. Pag ito naman siya, hindi pwede. Okay. So, yan. Mag-join siya. So, you will now have a 2 viewports. Here on this side, may makita kang 2 bar. So, you can move that para lumaki yung other views mo. Here, you can add another view. So, wala pala. Okay. So anyways, yeah. Okay. So this one, restore mo yung previous view. So yan. So magiging single view na lang siya. Okay. So aside from the model viewports, you can see here the palettes. Okay. So if you could remember, I taught you how to use the blocks, okay, to create your, for example, your drawing symbols, fixtures, furnitures. Si tool palettes or si AutoCAD, meron na siyang naka-built-in. Okay. So, once na-click mo siya, may lalabas na window. Okay. So, here, makikita ninyo, meron tayong electrical, civil, structural, hatches and fill, tables, command tool, samples, leaders, draw, modify, general lights. No? Once nakinig mo to, may lalabas pang iba. Okay. So, ito, naka-built-in na siya. Meaning, for example, itong architectural, we have the doors, windows, fluorescent, studs, toilet, trees, vehicles, door. So, pwede mo na siyang ilagay. Instead na kukuha ka pa from other drawings, meron naka-built-in si AutoCAD. So, si architectural, meron tayong imperial and metric. Okay. Once you say imperial, ang measurement is in inches, foot, miles, no? If metric system. Okay, kumbaga this is the English system or English SI unit system and this is the metric system. Okay, so once na-click mo si door, magkakaroon ka ng drawing symbols and naka-block na rin siya. So, I already taught you the parameters and actions of block. So, dito meron na siya. Okay, so pag minove ko to, pwedeng ang sukat niya is 9.14, 8.12. Since we use the imperial. So, meaning, since naka-inches and feet siya sa imperial, once na nilagay natin siya into our drawing or drawing area, magbabago yung sukat niya. Okay, magiging millimeters din siya. However, yung sukat niya is hindi na saktuhan. Okay? So, what we have to do is to use these metric samples. So, we have to erase this one. Okay, so click there. Yan. So, once na-click mo siya, makikita yung measurement. So, we have 800. For example, yung door opening nyo is 800, 900, and 1,000. Okay. So, yan yung ginagawa ni Dormetry. Okay. So, next is for windows. Ganyan lang itsura ng windows na ibibigay ni AutoCAD, which is yung built-in niya. Okay. So, we have fluorescent. Okay. So, once na-click mo siya, pwede mo siyang ma-stretch. Ayan. Kung ano yung length ng window nyo. Same as with, ay kay fluorescent naman, yan, mayroon na siyang sukat. So, pwede 500 yung width mo, then 500 for example, or 250 yung height mo. So, yan. Okay. So, meron pang iba dito. Toilets, trees. So, kahit trees, for example. Yan. So, once nakinig mo siya, pwede kang pumili. Kung gusto mo nang naka-elevation siya, shrub plan, shrub elevation, evergreen. So, meron na siyang for landscape. Okay, so for example, you put a palm here. So, meron na. Okay. Although, yung layer, pwede mo rin mabago. Okay. Unless na naglagay ka na ng layer dito, hindi mo na siya mababago. Okay. Kung yung layer mo is may kulay na rin. Okay. So, yan. So, So, next to tool palettes. So, meron pang other dito. We have mechanical, electrical, civil. So, yeah. So, aside from, next to tool palettes, we have the properties. Ayan. Ito na yun. Okay, properties. As a shortcut, you can type MO for modify. Okay. So, see, next to that is sheet set manager. We have command line for this one. Layer properties. And design center. Kung ito design center, hindi rin naman siya masyadong nagagamit. Markup set manager, calculator. So, si AutoCAD may calculator din siya. Okay. So, pwede ka mag-compute. Then, external reference. So, ito si XREF. Yan. So, si XREF pala, pwede mo rin siya ma-refresh. If nawawala yung drawing mo or yung image, you can just refresh it. Okay. So, switch windows. So, for example, may other window ka dito. So, you can switch window. Pwede yan. Drawing ito. Yan. Pwede yung drawing ito. Okay. So, dito naman sa tile horizontal, ganyan, vertical, cascade. So, i-click mo lang yan para bumalik. Si file tabs, mawawala ito. Si layout tabs, mawawala yun ito. Okay. So, yan yung AUCS. So, now we have a plan here. Okay. So, si UCS, ang gagamitin natin. So, aside from having an isometric and 3D, the use of UCS in our work is for creating a plumbing layout. Okay. So, once you type UCS, okay, press enter. So, you will be asked on your command line if you want it face, name, object, previews, view, world, XYZ, and ZA axis. So, currently, we're in the WCS, meaning nasa world coordinate system tayo. Or yung view natin is in the world UCS. So, pag sinabi natin world UCS, ito yung kabuuan na view natin. Okay. Kumbaga, ito yung default. No? So, so for the other options, no, for you to see it, so create muna tayo ng another view. So, gamitin natin itong to vertical. So, for example, so gagawa tayo ng plumbing layout. So, this one is active. If you see this highlight, blue highlight, this one is not active. Okay. So, what we're going to do, on our left side, this is the original plan. On our right side, this will be the plumbing layout. Okay. So, once na ginilaw ko siya, itong line, tinapat ko yung cursor, ang kita nyo sa left side, nag-highlight siya. Okay. So, once na ginilaw ko to, or kinlik ko, madadama yung isa. Okay. So, if you type UCS, press enter, we will use now the view UCS. So, type V and press enter. So, ano bang ginagawa ni V or ni view UCS? Meaning, kung ano yung view mo dito, once na kinapit ko siya dito, yun yung kakalabasan. For example, gawin natin siyang isometric view. Okay, ikakopy ko siya. So, Ctrl-C. Okay, then I move it here. Okay, wait lang. UCS V. Yan. Kasi naka-our UCS mo tayo ito. So, ikakopy ko siya, for example. Then, ikakopy ko siya, then ipipaste ko siya dito. So, you can see, ganun yung view niya. Okay? So, meaning, kung ano yung view mo dito, kung naka-view UCS ka, kung ano yung itsura ng view mo dito, kung naka-isometric ka, once na kinopy ko siya dito on the other side, naka-isometric view na siya. Okay. So, dito makikita nyo, iba yung itsura. So, Control Z natin. Okay. So, naka-view UCS tayo. So, yung kanina, ginawa natin na kinopy siya, yun yung first way on creating your plumbing layout. Okay. So, again, UCS, enter, type V for view. Okay. So, dito naman naka-enable na siya. Pag naka-word UCS yan, WCS. Okay. So, copy natin siya. Control C, enter, then paste natin dito. Okay. Then, kung ano yung active, i-restore natin. So, dito, pwede na kayong gumawa ng isometric plumbing layout or isometric plumbing layout. So, type gumawa ng PL. Ayan. So, kunyari, gagawa kayo. Ganyan. So, yan yung maging itsura, no? Plumbing isometric nyo. Kunyari, tumaas. Yan. Ayan yung isa. That is the first method. So, erase ulit natin to. The second method is gawin natin siyang vertical. Ito gawin natin view UCS. So, UCS, press enter, type V. Enter. Sorry. Gawin muna natin para siyang isometric. Again, UCS, press enter, type V. Yan. Naka-view UCS ka na. Mababago naman kasi dito. From WCS, mag-i-anim siya. Pwede ka na dito mag-edit or dito ka mismo gagawa ng plumbing layout or isometric plumbing layout. So, para makagawa, i-change mo muna to into 3D modeling, yung workstation mo. Okay? Once na-change siya, mababago yung ribbon panel nyo. Then, go to Visualize. Sa Visualize, palitan nyo to into top. Yan. Okay, so, nakita nyo yung view cube nyo, naging top siya. Okay, ito nagbago din. So, para once na nag-create kayo ng lines, for example, soil pipe, makikita nyo kung it runs along z-axis, y-axis, or x. So, currently, wait lang, zoom in natin para makita. Okay. So, dito tayo, PL, press enter. Nakikita niyo nasa x and y axis pa rin tayo. So, dapat nasa z axis tayo. Okay. So, we can use the ortho. Okay. Change natin siya to sorry. Then, tap. Yan. So, F8 natin for ortho. Yan. Nakikita nyo na yung radius yung naka 90 degree. Okay. Yan. So, pwede natin. Okay. So, nakikita nyo ito sa kabilang side. Parang tuldok na lang siya. It means nasa z-axis tayo. Tapos, kunyari, gawa tayo ng soil pipe dito. Palabas. So, ayan. Okay. So, for example, itong gripo naman, or itong faucet. So, pwede natin siyang tapos, So, nasa z-axis, ay nasa x and y axis tayo. So, gawin natin siya. So, dapat nakikita nyo na patayo dapat yung angle. So, change. Yan. So, dapat nakikita nyo si z-axis. Yan. So, kunyari, yan. So, meron ka ng plumbing layout. Okay. Be aware of the z-axis kasi minsan mahirap siya makagilap dito. Okay. Kung nawawala, change nyo at click nyo muna to, then change to view, then top. Okay. Yan. So, nakikita nyo yung cursor nyo. May blue half for z-axis, red for x, and y for green for y. So, yan. So, that's the second method. And then, you have to copy it na lang. Control-C. Once na tapos na kayo mag-edit. Enter. Punta kayo sa kabila. Then, ay, sorry. Erase muna natin. Uses muna natin. Uses. So, Control-C. Enter. Paste. Yan. So, that's the second way. So, edit muna dito lahat, then you have to copy. Okay. So, gawin natin siyang i-restore natin siya. Yan. So, the other way naman, erase muna natin ito. Tapos ito. Yan. So, remember dapat naka 3D modeling yung workspace niya. Okay. Hindi na kayo nasa drafting since gumagawa na kayo ng isometric view sa layout. Okay. So, this is the third way. Scale natin to 100, for example. Yeah. So, create tayo ng MV. Then, click natin siya. Gawin natin siyang isometric view. Yan. Okay. Tapos, UCS, press enter, then V. Yan. Dito, pwede niya siyang gawing top. Sorry. Again. Click na lang natin ito. Yan. So, pwede na kayo dito mag-edit na hindi nagagalaw to. Erase muna natin. Yan. So, line. So, view. At ortho. So, yan, nakikita nyo. Along z-axis naman nakalagay. Ortho 126.4657 along z-axis. So, yan. Yan, yan. No? Tapos, kuha ka pa ng lines. Then, okay. So, mali. So, dapat lagi siyang nasa z-axis once na nagtataas ka ng linya. So, napapansin niyo yung view cube niyo nagbabago. Okay. Dapat lagi siya nakata para makita niya si z-axis. Example, ayan. Then, you can scale it na lang. Example, 1:100. Yan. So, meaning, itong line mo, ginagawa mo na siya dito. So, you don't need have to copy-paste yung mismong isometric. So, from here, pwede mo na siyang ma-edit or magawa mo na yung mismong isometric layout. Okay, so, then, gawan mo na lang na layers, etc. Then, you're good na for creating the plumbing layout. So, that's it for UCS.